Unique ideas for your dream wedding. Are you tired of the same old traditional wedding ideas? Want to make your big day truly unique and unforgettable? You've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing some of the most unique ideas for your dream wedding. Number 10. A destination wedding. Weddings are special, and what could be more special than tying the knot at a beautiful destination surrounded by nature, stunning beaches, or breathtaking mountain views? Destination weddings are becoming increasingly popular, and for good reason. A destination wedding is a great way to turn your special day into a mini vacation for you and your guests. From a beach on the island of Ibiza to a city in Europe, the possibilities are endless. Instead of a traditional invitation, give your guests a wedding map. By giving a wedding map, you can ensure that your guests are aware of how to reach all the wedding celebration activities that you've scheduled in a fun way. Wedding maps can be easily produced online in virtually any style and on almost any budget. If you consider a destination wedding, the first thing that you'll need to do is make sure that it's within your budget and that there are enough activities and attractions nearby to keep everyone entertained. It's also important to consider the weather and any local customs or traditions that may impact your wedding plans. If you have troubles with connecting with local organizations, you can hire a wedding planner. They can ensure you get the best local services for the best price. Keep in mind that destination weddings can be quite expensive, so if you don't have a large budget, opt for a small party with only your closest friends and family. Number 9. Food trucks. Food trucks are a fun way to serve your guests a delicious meal on your wedding day. With so many different types of cuisine to choose from, you're sure to find something that will please everyone's taste buds. Food trucks also add a laid-back, festive atmosphere to the day, making it a memorable and enjoyable experience for all. When planning your food truck wedding, consider having a variety of options for your guests to choose from. You could have a taco truck, a pizza truck, and a dessert truck. You could also incorporate the food trucks into your theme, such as having a vintage ice cream truck at a 1920s-themed wedding. Ditch the formal sit-down dinner and opt for food stations instead. Offer a variety of cuisines to suit your tastes like pasta, grilled cheese, s'mores, or even a farm-to-table station. They also encourage mingling, which adds a fun touch and makes your special day more memorable. Number 8. Exchanging vows. If you're looking for a way to add a personal and intimate touch to your wedding day, have you considered exchanging vows privately? This is when you and your partner share your personal vows with each other before the actual wedding ceremony. It's a moment for just the two of you to express your love and commitment to each other in a personal and meaningful way. You can do it in a secluded location, just the two of you and your wedding officiant, or in front of close friends or family. Number 7. Outdoor ceremonies. Having an outdoor ceremony is a beautiful way to exchange your vows surrounded by nature. There are countless options to choose from. Think about a botanical garden, a forest, or a secluded beach. The advantage of having an outdoor ceremony is that you won't need a lot of decoration, as the natural beauty of the outdoors already provides a stunning backdrop for your big day. You can make it extra beautiful by adding a little bit of extra greenery and flowers, or by transforming a forest clearing into a fairy tale setting with mossy pathways, flower-filled archways, and fairy lights strung through the trees. Another option could be to exchange your vows on a secluded beach, with a bonfire blazing in the background and the sound of the waves as your background music. One thing you shouldn't forget, though, that it's crucial to have a backup plan in case of bad weather. Consider having a tent on standby or having the ceremony indoors at a nearby venue in case of rain. It's also important to think about the logistics, such as seating, lighting, and sound. Number 6. Interactive activities. Incorporating interactive activities into your wedding can make it fun and a memorable experience for you and your guests. When planning your wedding activities, consider the interests and personalities of you and your guests. For a fun and relaxed vibe, you could set up a beanbag toss or a giant Jenga game. For a more sophisticated vibe, you could have a live band or DJ to keep the party going. You could also have a craft station such as a DIY succulent bar, calligraphy station, or a photo booth where guests can take home something they created themselves. And if there are children around on your wedding day, don't forget about them. Hire a nanny and have fun, playful activities to keep them entertained throughout the day. Number 5. Non-traditional venues. Choosing a non-traditional venue for your wedding is a great way to make your day stand out and reflective of your personality as a couple. The options for wedding venues are countless and diverse, including but not limited to farms, vineyards, museums, and art galleries. To make your wedding unique, consider exploring less conventional venues that align with your personal style and preferences. Consider the ambience and vibe that you want to create while selecting a non-traditional location. A museum might be a great choice if you and your partner love art and culture, while a vineyard might be perfect for a more relaxed, rustic vibe. Number 4. Surprise performances. Finally, surprising your guests with a special performance, such as having a fire show or a wedding illustrator, can definitely be a unique and spectacular addition to your wedding day. Fire shows can add a touch of excitement and drama to the event, while a wedding illustrator can provide a fun and interactive experience for your guests, capturing memorable moments and emotions throughout their drawings. Additionally, you can also consider incorporating other non-traditional forms of entertainment such as acrobats, aerialists, stilt walkers, or a live mural artist. These types of performances can be customized to fit the theme and vibe of your wedding and can truly make your day one to remember for both you and all of your guests. When planning a surprise performance, consider incorporating a personal touch to make it truly memorable. You can do this by choosing a song or routine that holds special significance for you and your partner, or by incorporating elements of your love story into the performance. This could include reenacting how you first met. Number 3. Themed weddings. A themed wedding is a great way to make your special day truly unique and reflective of your personality as a couple. When planning your themed wedding, consider incorporating the theme into every aspect of the day, from the invitations and decor to the menu and music. For example, if you and your partner are avid travelers, you could create a world traveler theme, have your guests travel to different countries through food stations featuring international cuisine. You could also decorate with maps, globes, and suitcases and play music from different countries. Number 2. DIY decor. Instead of buying or renting expensive decorations, why not do it yourself? Creating your own centerpieces, photo backdrops, and other decor items is a great way to save money and make the day truly personal. Many DIY decorations can be made with simple, inexpensive materials. If you haven't already, create a Pinterest board and collect different DIY ideas. You will easily get inspired. You could go for beautifully standard DIY decor ideas, but you can also consider incorporating items that are meaningful to you and your partner. The result will be beautiful, one-of-a-kind decor that reflects your love story. Number 1. Arrive in a special vehicle. Finally, arriving in a special vehicle is a fun and unique way to make a statement on your wedding day. Instead of opting for a traditional wedding car, you can make your entrance in a classic convertible, a horse-drawn carriage, a hot air balloon, a bicycle built for two, a boat if it's close to a lake, or a vintage camper van. Each of these options add a touch of personality and style to your wedding day and provide a memorable entrance for both you and your spouse. Just be sure to consider the logistics, such as parking and accessibility, when planning your entrance. And there you have it, brides and grooms-to-be. Whether you choose a destination wedding or a food truck feast, the possibilities are endless. Remember, your wedding day is all about celebrating your love and commitment to each other, so have fun and make it a day to remember. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more wedding inspiration.